2025 Get Fit Challenge. This 50 minutes walking exercise is an easy cardio workout to activate your muscles and gradually build strength for more challenging workouts later in this challenge. Let's get started. Tap your shoulders, extend your arms forward, tap again, then open them wide to the side. Great job participating in this fitness challenge. This is your journey and it's all about progress. No matter your level, we are here to move, have fun, and feel great. Curl your arms up toward your shoulders. Make a strong fist, ensuring your biceps engage fully to make them move. Lift your elbows to shoulder height. Open your arms wide and close them back together in front. Make sure to open up your chest as you pull your elbows back. Let's press your arms all the way up. This short 50 minutes walking exercise can burn around 100 and more calories. It really depends on your pace and body weight, but it's an excellent way to manage your weight over time. Now tap your knee with the opposite hand, lifting your leg and twisting slightly to engage your core. Now extend your legs slightly to kick forward. Step one leg back, push your arms forward, and then pull your elbows back. This is a full body movement. It engages multiple muscle groups and incorporates a greater range of motion. Lift your knee up while pressing the opposite arm high. Keep your knee slightly open and twist your upper torso to the side. Walk forward and backward in steady motion. Swing your arms bigger to add more energy. Walking backward challenges your sense of balance, enhances your coordination, engages different muscles that are less active during forward walking. Lift one high knee, then take 2 walking steps. High knees are also good for flexibility because they stretch and strengthen the hip flexors. Step side to side and cross your arm in front. Lift your knees wide and high while pushing your arms down with each step. You don't need to change your exercise routine often. You can save your favorite KeikoFlex video and keep doing the same workout. It's a great way to stay consistent and build strength. Now step back gently, lowering your back knee slightly, then return to standing. Here, we want to focus on proper alignment and technique before advancing to a deeper lunge. Take 2 wide side steps while opening and lowering your arms. We are almost halfway through. How are you feeling? I would love to hear about your experience working out with me. Please write your comment after workout. Your feedback is so important and will help me create even better workout. Lift your knee and reach the opposite arm high. Tap your heel forward while keeping your posture upright. This movement promotes flexibility and range of motion in the knees and ankles. The tapping motion requires stability and helps enhance motor skills. Keep your elbows up high and twist your torso as you walk. Your core acts as a natural brace for your lower back. So having a strong ab will reduce the risk of injuries and less pressure on your spine during physical activities. Walk 4 steps, then bend your knees and lower your body down. The down press movement is the foundation for a deeper and more advanced squats. We are building strength gradually to focus on your quads and glutes. Step side to side with a wide stance, swinging your arms powerfully. The best time to work out is when you can exercise consistently and with the most energy. Choose a time that fits your schedule and allows you to perform your best, whether that's morning, afternoon, or evening. Take wide steps side to side, while opening up your arms to the side and crossing them in front. The key to staying consistent with exercise is building habits and making it suitable for your lifestyle. Begin with manageable goals like 10 to 15 minutes a day and treat your workout like an important appointment. Lift one knee slightly inward and swing both arms down to the opposite side, adding a twist. Even basic tasks like bending, twisting, reaching, and lifting all rely on your core. Strong core makes these movements easier, minimizing overcompensation from weaker areas. Open your arms wide into a Y shape, then swing them down to form the opposite Y shape. Arm and shoulder mobility are often neglected because people tend to prioritize exercise for legs and core and overall strength, overlooking smaller joints. When you start to feel stiffness in your shoulders, it's better to focus on mobility exercises first. Take a big step forward, bend your knees while keeping your body upright. Press your front heel firmly into the ground. This is to prepare for a full front lunge workout. We are focusing on activating the right muscles. Make sure to bend your knees to a level where you can stabilize your body and stay strong. Lift your knee up high on each side, then bring each heel to your glute. Alternating between high knees and back kicks challenges your coordination and balance. Naturally, balance declines with age, but regular practice can maintain or improve stability. Take wide steps side to side while keeping your arms rolling forward. Keep your elbows up and move as fast as you can. I suggest setting some fitness goals in your mind. I like setting mine with limits, like not missing a workout for more than 3 days or maintaining my weight within a certain range. It helps me stay accountable and consistent. Now walk in place and do 2 calf raises. Keep your knees straight, lift into a calf raise. Find a good balance to hold yourself steady. I cannot emphasize enough how crucial your calves are. They play a vital role in balance, stability, and almost every movement. Strong calves support your ankles and prevent injuries and making them an essential part of any fitness routine. Do high knees while twisting both arms to the side. Keep your core tight. The better the twist, the better the shaping. Move your arms to create momentum, pushing your hips side to side as you walk. This helps loosen and stretch tight hips, improving flexibility and range of motion in a hip joint. Yes, great job! Let's take a big breathe in and out. Your body needs lots of oxygen to recover after exercise. Thank you for participating in the 2025 Get Fit Challenge, building strength step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share how you did in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video.